Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use custom fields to personalize your contact list within Craftify AI to do all of the things that you could possibly want. So I'm going to show you how this works really easily. I'm going to start here by choosing Crafter, coming down to settings, scrolling all the way down, and you'll find contact profile settings and choose custom fields. From here, you'll see the custom fields that we've already created for this particular business. And now we're going to create a new one by choosing new custom field. First, we want to start off by choosing the contact type category. Who is this field going to be for? So do we want this to apply to leads, customers, personnel in your company, other, you can add an other, or all of them combined? Now, the choices that you'll get later on are different depending on the type of of um, of category that you've chosen here. Okay, so you want to be able to be specific on your type. Now I'm going to choose lead for this one, for example. You can also choose to group custom fields together in a list, and I'll show you that a little bit later. Now, first I'm going to start off with the field name. It's required to put in a field name. For this one, I'm going to choose preferred communication channel. And if you want to, you can add a description here. This is optional. And you can also use this for personalization. Now, when this is enabled, this field value can be included as a context within your Craftify emails for specific contacts that are under this. This is completely optional as well. Just knowing that that's there. Now, then you're going to choose the field type. What is the type that we're going to be working with? So this could be that you would write in an answer, or it needs to be a number or a decimal of something, a date in the year, could be like anniversary or birthday, things like that. It could be a true or false question, a multi-select list, single select list, etc. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to choose a multi-select list because it's a preferred communication channel. It will be based off of how this person wants to be communicated with. Do they want us to call them or email them or text them? So here under your list options, just showing you this, you want to choose enter to make sure every single list option gets included. So I'm going to put in email, text, call. Okay. And that way we can say for certain leads in your group how they wish to be contacted. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. Here we go. And now we have all of our custom fields here. Now, from here, you can edit or delete any of your custom fields at any time. Now, let's go see a custom field in action. Let's go into contacts and let's see if let's look at here to see what I have in this contact. This contact is a lead. Perfect. So then when I scroll down here, I should be able to see the custom fields under that contact. And yes, I do right here, preferred communication channel here. And I can add this immediately in right here into this channel. That way I'll know if this contact wants to be emailed, texted, etc. Now, when we're coming in to create a new contact, you'll see that same custom field once we've chosen the contact type. So if I see contact type and choose customer, I'll scroll down and you won't see that custom field here because that custom field was not made for customers. It was only made for leads. To be able to see that custom field, choose lead, etc., you'll see that it will show up here. Okay, so that helps you to personalize each different type of contact that you're creating within Craftify AI. Now, I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Please leave comments on your questions and happy crafting.